Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to enable the Send Messages with Ctrl+ Enter feature in Telegram on your PC. With this feature, you can send messages quickly by simply pressing Ctrl+ Enter on your keyboard. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Next, locate and click on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Now, click on Chat Settings. Scroll down to find the Messages section. To enable the Send Messages with Ctrl+ Enter feature, click on the box next to it. Once enabled, the box will turn blue, indicating that the feature is active. Now, whenever you want to send a message, simply type it out and press Ctrl+ Enter on your keyboard, and the message will be sent instantly. This feature is incredibly convenient and saves you time when typing and sending messages in Telegram on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.